Welcome to Automate CXO Conversation. I'm joined by Shantanu, who's the MD of Michelin. Thank you so much for joining us
Thank you for
today.
having me, Siddharth.
And the reason why we are here is because we have a new tire from Michelin in 2026. Shantanu, why don't you tell our viewers what tire is it and what's so special about it?
Yeah. So we have launched this tire line called Primacy 5, which is a successor of Primacy 4. The value proposition for Primacy 5, what we call is confidence made to last. You know, when consumers are driving bigger cars and faster cars on great highways, they want to make sure that the confidence of their car is also reflected in their tires. And Primacy 5 just gives that. If I have to give top 3 reasons why Primacy 5 is making the confidence last forever, when it comes to wet braking, when tested against the competition here locally, in a wet condition, Primacy 5 will stop 8 meters shorter. Now imagine 8 meter is the length of a bus. Having 8 meter distance advantage for you in a wet condition could be a difference between you being in an accident or being safe. Not only that, the confidence lasts to the entire life of the tire, and when the tire is worn out, and if you compare the worn out Michelin tire versus the competition, this confidence is now taken from 8 meters to 9 meters. So it continues to be safer tire for the entire life of the tire. It is very comfortable. It reduces the tire noise coming to the car. It reduces the undulations of on the road transmitted to the vehicle. It has improved rolling resistance. Rolling resistance is something which kind of improves your fuel consumption, but it also enhances the battery range. So it is great for EV as well, like for ICE cars. And most importantly, it will continue to last as long as previous Michelin tires were lasting. So all good conditions of safety, comfort, and long lasting packaged in one product. That's Primacy 5 for you. Confidence made to last for the entire life of the tire.
Now, that is about the tire,
Yes.
but we also saw that this is kind of a dual tire. You can use it in an EV. It's kind of EV ready.
Yes.
It's also good for ICE
ICE.
vehicles. Now, tell me something. A lot of people talk about like rolling resistance, how
Correct.
you did as well.
Correct.
And EVs have this misconception that
Yes.
tires for EVs are different.
Yes.
How are we breaking those stereotypes in the market? Like maybe with Primacy 5.
Yeah. So Siddharth, there is one thing which is technically we need to keep in mind, that to make a tire with the best rolling resistance is not that difficult. You can reduce the depth of the tire and you can have a tire which has the best rolling resistance and gives a great EV range, but it will last only 10,000 kilometers.
Correct.
Right? And it will be extremely uncomfortable and it will not have the right level of noise suppression qualities. What Primacy 5 gives you is a balance of performance of all factors. It not only improves your fuel consumption and your battery range, it is lasting longer, it is safer, it carries the weight of the battery because battery weight is important, so it has the right load index, and it is comfortable for you to ride. So all these things to be packaged in one tire is not the most easiest task, and Michelin does it better than anybody else. And that's why we believe that our Primacy 5 is good for ICE, but it is also EV ready.
Talking about, you do it better than everybody else.
Yes.
This is also one of the tires that is being made in India
Yes.
for Indian conditions.
Yes.
What does this mean for Michelin's global plan? Are we going to see more exporting of these tires from India, or is it just localized to the Indian market?
That's a good question, Siddharth. We already have a truck tire plant which we are manufacturing truck tires, and when we started truck tire plant 10 years ago, we focused only on replacement market for India. But over time we have expanded and now we are exporting to North America, Europe, Asia and Africa. We believe the same thing will happen for passenger car as well. Our focus is right now going to be for the Indian market for replacement, and as we go along, as we stabilize our capacity, etc., export opportunities will be there.
And if I talk about, what are the tire sizes that Primacy 5 is going to be available in?
So Primacy 5 is going to be available from 16 inches to 20 inches, and generally speaking, our plant here in Chennai are going to manufacture sizes from 16 inches up to 22 inches.
Okay.
And the range is going to be pretty wide.
So say for example, if I have a luxury car with a 22-inch tire,
Yes.
can I get one? Because you said that for India you're doing only till like 20.
22.
22.
22.
Okay, so it will be available at Michelin stores.
If the size we are manufacturing in India, of course, will be available. But like I had said earlier in our discussion, it is physically impossible for any manufacturer to make 100% stuff locally. So there will be certain sizes which we call as long tail or super long tail, for which we'll have to rely on imports. Because the volumes are small, these are very niche products, and you will have to rely on those for those tires through import route. So we will complement our manufacturing capacity locally with small imports on those niche segments.
Also, my final question to you is when it comes to tire buying decisions,
Yeah.
most of the time it's the retail outlet
Yes.
that the person goes to,
Yes.
whether they've got a
Yes.
flat tire or
Yes.
a tire that's not out there.
Yes.
What is Michelin doing to push your tires on the cars out there?
Yeah.
Because some of the retailers are multi-brand tire
Yes.
retailers,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
That's a great question, Siddharth. Tire is always a distress purchase, right? You don't get up in the morning and say, okay, let's buy tires. So by definition, when a consumer is looking for tires, he is looking for information online first. Our consumers today, 80% of the consumers are researching online before they purchase offline. Our first focus also is to make sure that the information of Michelin is available at the right forums online with right content and information. This has to be complemented by the great experience when the consumer is going offline. We have this Michelin tires and service stores across the country now, which has the right level of information, right level of customer launch, great information in the shop, but we also train our dealers to tell the consumer about what is the feature advantages benefit of the product. We do not want our dealers to sell a round black thing. We want to make sure that they inform the consumers on why they should be buying Michelin, and those things are being taken care of. So when a consumer is going to a shop, he is well informed and is making the informed decision. Absolutely.
And just as a follow-up to you on this one, this is the first tire that we're seeing,
Yes.
made in
Yes.
India for
Yes.
passenger vehicles.
Yes.
Are there going to be more lines that we're going to see, maybe for the sports car enthusiast, or maybe even the entry-level vehicles out there?
So,
All the top tire lines which we have in Michelin world will come eventually. We are starting with Primacy 5, but there will be Pilot Sport 5 which will come to India. There will be LTX Trail, which is also a tire line which is very popular in SUVs, which will be manufactured in India. It's just that the ramp up of the factory will take few months, and all the top tire lines will be made locally here.
So this is just the start to...
This is just the beginning.
Just the
This is just the
beginning
beginning.
to your
Yes.
story ahead. Thank you so much for
Pleasure.
joining us and having this conversation.
you for having me.
And you can also read the entire transcript of this conversation on ndtv.com. Thanks so much for watching.